Hey style lovers, welcome back to my channel Outfit Leather, where we explore the latest in fashion trends and stylish outfit ideas. Today we're diving into a super chic and versatile piece, leather leggings. Whether you're dressing up or going for a casual look, leather leggings can be star of your outfit. Stick around as I share with you some fresh creative ideas and tips on how to style these amazing leggings. Leather leggings have become a staple in many wardrobes because of their edgy, sleek look. Not only do they fit like a second skin, but they also give you that instantly fashionable vibe. They come a variety of styles, matte, glossy, fox leather and more. The best part of their super versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on your mood. Let's talk about how to style leather leggings for different occasions. For a chic night out, pair them with a fitted neck, a stylish blazer and some killer heels. The mix of textures, soft knitwear and shiny leather will elevate your look. For a more casual vibe, throw on a loose oversized sweater and some stylish sneakers. This look is perfect for brunch with friends or running errands while style keeping in fashionable. And for the office, yes, you can wear leather leggings to work, to pair them with a long blouse or tunic and layer it with a structured coat. Add a pair of loafers and you're good to go. The key is balancing the boldness of leather with softer, more professional pieces. Want to stand out from the crowd. Try pairing leather leggings with unexpected items. How about a genuine jacket or a silk blues? It's a mix of classic and edgy, perfect for a night out. Or try styling your leggings with a bohemian flowy top and gladiator sandal for a mix of edgy and free-spirited vibes. And another unique pairing is a leather jacket with a leather leggings. Sounds daring, it can be. Just make sure you mix textures. A mature leather jacket with glossy leggings creates a bold contrast that looks. If you're not into full-on leather, try leather panel leggings. These have a softer approach, giving you that edgy look without being too hot, too bold. You can wear them with almost anything from casual tees to dressy blouses. One thing I love about leather leggings is how flattering they can be on any body type, whether you're petite or tall, curvy or lean. There's a pair of leather leggings for you. For curvier body types, high-waisted leather leggings can help create an hourglass shape, while those with a more petite frame might want to go for a mid-price pair to elongate the legs. Now let's talk about taking care of your leather leggings to keep them looking fresh. Always follow the care instructions on the label, but in general, try spot cleaning them when necessary. If your leggings are made from real leather, use a leather conditioner to maintain their softness and shine. And remember, leather leggings should never go in the washing machine. Treat them with care to make them last longer. So there you have it. Leather leggings are an incredible fashion choice that can fit into every occasion, from casual to chic. I hope these styling tips and ideas inspire you to experiment with your leather leggings in new and creative ways. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion inspiration. Let me know in the comments which look you love the most.